With .NET 8, a new template called Blazor Web App has been created, and it's like the cherry on top. Here we can create an application that can combine all the rendering modes I mentioned, namely Blazor server-side rendering, Blazor server, and Blazor WebAssembly. Hello, this is Kazimierz Spin. Welcome to the Code with Kazik channel, where I demonstrate how to effectively learn programming and become a successful programmer. This means we can decide how each part of the application will be rendered. Moreover, we can also decide that until WebAssembly and the entire application are downloaded in the background, we will use Blazor Server, and once these elements are downloaded, we will switch to WebAssembly. For example, we can create a home page with some descriptions using server-side rendering to take advantage of all its benefits, and another subpage with more logic and interactivity as a Blazor WebAssembly component. This is all incredibly good, and although it may seem complicated at the moment, I guarantee you it is not. We will practice everything in real-life examples, so I can say that if you understand how to use it well, you will get rid of all the drawbacks of Blazor that I mentioned earlier. I will guide you through everything step by step, so you don't get lost in all of this, but I guarantee that by the end of the training, you will master everything and see that it is easy and provides us with huge opportunities to create modern applications that meet the requirements of all clients. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this film, be sure to join my community, where you'll also have access to exclusive additional materials and, most importantly, fantastic special bonuses. The registration link is located in the description box below the video. See you in the next episode.